So I mean, like, when you go through a heartbreak, don't try to go through rebounds or fucking talk to other people or try to impress your ex, whatever. Just do the work, man. The result will speak on its own.
I'm glad you said that, because I have a really close mate going through that right now.
That's what I mean, like, yeah, women's bro, they can't really move on from you within a couple of weeks or whatever. I don't give a fuck. Like, talk to other guys and shit. But you as a man, don't do that shit, man. You know what I mean? Even you do, you're still low key, man. Don't go date anyone. But like, I'm not saying, like, you know, in a couple of weeks, that's too short of a time. Process it, go cry about it, talk to your mates and all the bullshit, and then pick yourself back up. Find something to do that will improve your life in terms of like everything, like financially, mentally, physically, all of that kind of shit. And then maybe 2, 3, 4 years down the line, you'll be in a fucking different situation. And where is she? She'll be in the fucking same place.